Before you question the date, before you assume this is random, pause, because specific moments carry specific weight, and February 3rd is not about a calendar. It is about clarity. You felt something building, not dramatic, not chaotic, but steady, like a quiet pressure in your thoughts. A sense that something hidden is surfacing. You may not have words for it yet, but you feel it. There are truths we avoid because we are not ready to face them. Not lies, not deception, just clarity delayed. And delay protects us until we are strong enough. You were not ready to see everything before. You would have reacted emotionally. You would have forced conversations. You would have tried to fix what needed time. But now, you are calmer, more observant, less reactive. And that maturity changes what you can handle. The full truth is not dramatic. It is revealing. Revealing about people. Revealing about patterns. Revealing about yourself. You have been sensing shifts in certain relationships. Energy changing. Tone shifting. Effort becoming uneven. You noticed, but you didn't confront immediately. That restraint was growth. Because truth does not require panic. It requires perspective. February 3rd symbolizes the moment when perspective sharpens. When denial fades, when clarity outweighs comfort. There were things you overlooked before. Red flags you softened. Signals you ignored. Not because you were weak, but because you were hopeful. Hope is beautiful, but hope without boundaries becomes blindness. You are no longer blind. You are aware. The full truth is this: not everyone walking beside you is aligned with your direction. Some are seasonal, some are observers, some are competitors disguised as companions. But awareness removes vulnerability. You are not meant to accuse. You are meant to adjust. Adjustment is power. You may notice small confirmations soon. Subtle comments, subtle distance, subtle behavior shifts. Pay attention, not with paranoia, with calm observation, because clarity is protection. You have also been hiding truth from yourself. Truth about your potential. Truth about your discipline. Truth about your standards. You've outgrown certain excuses. You've outgrown certain environments. You've outgrown certain emotional reactions. And the truth is, you know it. You know when you are settling. You know when you are distracted. You know when you are avoiding responsibility. That awareness is not guilt. It is elevation. Elevation requires honesty. Honesty requires courage. Courage requires stability. And you have built stability. That's why this moment feels different. You are not searching for answers anymore. You are recognizing them. The full truth is not meant to hurt you. It is meant to position you. Position you for cleaner alignment, cleaner decisions, cleaner connections. The confusion you felt recently? It was truth trying to surface. The discomfort you felt in certain conversations, it was misalignment revealing itself. The sudden detachment you experienced, it was clarity stabilizing. You will not need confrontation to confirm it. You will feel it, and feeling it will be enough. In the next part, we're going deeper into what this truth changes and why once it's revealed, nothing goes back to how it was. Now listen carefully, because once truth becomes clear, you cannot comfortably go back to pretending. That is the real shift. The full truth is not explosive. It is stabilizing. It removes illusion. And illusion is what once kept you uncertain. You used to over-explain behavior. Now you observe it. You used to give unlimited benefit of doubt. Now you measure consistency. You used to chase clarity from others. Now you generate clarity internally. That is growth. And growth changes your tolerance. Certain dynamics will feel smaller now. Certain conversations will feel surface level. Certain excuses will feel weak. Not because you became arrogant, but because you became aware. The truth is simple. Alignment feels calm. Misalignment feels draining. You don't need dramatic signs. You need emotional evidence. Notice how your body reacts around certain people. Notice where you feel relaxed. Notice where you feel guarded. Your awareness has sharpened, and that sharpening protects you. February 3rd is not a prediction. It is a checkpoint, a moment of recognition, a moment where you stop ignoring what you already sensed. The full truth about others: some people were never meant to stay long term. Some were lessons, some were mirrors, some were warnings, and some were stepping stones. Releasing them does not require anger, it requires acceptance. The full truth about yourself: you are more disciplined than you admit, more intuitive than you trust, more capable than you demonstrate. You have been underestimating your internal strength. You have been minimizing your growth. You have been pretending you are still confused, but you are not confused anymore. You are clear, and clarity is responsibility. Because once you see the pattern, you must decide whether to continue it. The old version of you tolerated chaos for connection. The new version values peace over approval. That change is permanent. You may feel distance from certain environments soon. Not conflict, distance. And distance is not rejection. It is realignment. Realignment makes space. Space for healthier connections. Space for disciplined focus. Space for better opportunities. Truth creates space. Space creates growth. Growth creates momentum. Momentum creates confidence. Confidence creates stability. And stability attracts better alignment. You will not feel the need to argue. You will not feel the need to expose. You will not feel the need to prove. You will simply adjust. That quiet adjustment is power, because loud reactions drain energy. Calm decisions build momentum. The full truth changes direction subtly. It changes how you respond, how you prioritize, how you invest your time. You may notice that distractions feel less interesting, drama feels less entertaining, validation feels less necessary. That is evolution. Evolution does not shout, it restructures. You are restructuring. Internally first, externally second. Before this ends, pause. Think about one area of your life where you already know the truth, the one you have been postponing confronting. Not aggressively, just honestly. You don't need to announce it, just acknowledge it. If this message felt like confirmation of something you already sensed, hold that awareness. Because once truth is seen, it cannot be unseen, and clarity always moves you forward.